Hello. Can we increase the size of the penis? Females, they have two problems. Either the breast is too big or the breast is too small. None of the women is satisfied with breast. But males, they have only one problem. They have small penis. All of the males, they have only one problem, small penis. In real sense, many people, they have smaller penis. Maybe due to hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, hormone deficiency. That is the important cause. By birth, the testis is not developed. Actually, testis, they are developed in the lower part of the abdomen and they descend. During the delivery, it will be inside the scrotal sac. Sometimes they can get obstructed on the way, they are not descended. In these cases, they are not developed. So hormone secretion as well as sperm production cannot happen. This is one part. So many other reasons for small penis. In obese people, the penis size is always small. Why? Because number one, penis is not developing from the skin, outer skin. It is developing near the bone, deeper inside. Half of the penis is inside and half will be outside. If this person develops 2 inches fat, subcutaneous fat, 2 inches penis will be buried by fat. Only rest of the penis will be seen outside. This is number one. Second reason, the secreted male hormone testosterone, it will be going to the subcutaneous fat and converted into female hormone. It is called aromatization. So it is converted into female hormone and it enters into the blood. So these people, obese people, female hormones are more and male hormones will be depleted. So obesity is another cause and so many other reasons are there. Sometimes even with normal penis, people will not be satisfied with their size. They want to have a bigger size. They see pornography and compare their penis size and they want to get bigger penis. Women, even small breast, they can feed their child. It's not a difficulty. But for attraction or for their satisfaction or their husband's satisfaction, partner's satisfaction, they want to have a bigger breast. They go for surgery, many things, many procedures. Similarly, males, they want to have a bigger penis to satisfy their partner or satisfy themselves, satisfy their ego, so many. So we can treat these people with medicines, including testosterone and other hormones, medicines increasing the blood flow and other things. Sometimes we can give penile injections like P-shot injections. P-shot injections are helpful for curing erectile dysfunction as well as size of the penis, increasing the size of the penis. And shockwave therapy, to some extent, it may help. Surgery is fantastic. It gives immediate results. Before surgery, it is small. Immediately after surgery, they can see the bigger penis. Many methods, injecting the fat inside the penis or taking a graft and putting it over the penis. So many methods are there. So we can augment the penis in many methods. So those who want bigger size penis, it's possible now. Thank you.